Hi, I'm Jamie with JD Precision Plumbing, and today I wanted to talk to you about recirculating pumps. So first of all, what is a recirculating pump? A recirculating pump is something that keeps the hot water looping inside the lines of your house to always have it at the ready. So when you turn a fixture on, you instantly have hot water and you're not having to wait for the hot water to get from the water tank all the way to your fixture. There are two types of recirculating pumps. The first type of pump would be like for your entire home. It would be installed next to your water heater and it would recirculate the hot water throughout your home at all times. The secondary type, if your home has already been built, this might be a good choice for you, is to just put a recirculating pump at the fixtures that need the hot water. So for example, you might need hot water instantly in your shower, but you might not necessarily be worried about the hot water and how long it takes to get to your kitchen. For example, the master shower is oftentimes located on the other end of the home from the water heater. So it might take a minute, you start the shower, go brush your teeth, do something, and then the hot water is ready for your shower. But with a recirculating pump, this would never be the issue. If you're not sure which recirculating pump is best for you and your home, I recommend calling out a professional at JD Precision Plumbing. Someone could come, assess what you've got going on, and give you the options for what will fit you, your family, and your budget the best. Thanks for watching.